Hi, this is Monty with another can-do moment. I've got a storage area here under the stairs in my basement, and I'm trying to utilize more of it. So I bought some shelves, try to maximize what I can get down here. Let's take a look. So I put two of these shelves back to back. These are Welfiya 42-inch by 20-inch. So where I had stuff just piled out here at the bottom, now I have shelves. Going to be able to put a lot more in here. I like these shelves. Actually, the metal is a little thinner than some of the other shelves I have. Now, I've measured it. It appears to be about 28 gauge, where the others, heavier ones, are 26 gauge. So this is about 25% thinner. However, they've put more bends in it right here instead of just a simple L shape. And that helps increase the strength and rigidity of it. Makes it very lightweight, very easy to handle. They've also added cross braces. You've got 3 perpendicular braces and 2 at 45 degrees, or roughly 45 degrees. So that makes it very, very strong and stable. You got metal shelving with built-in ribs underneath it. And it should equal or exceed some of those other heavier gauge metal shelves. Like I say, now part of putting this together was it had to put a lot of screws and nuts and stuff in it and join the upper and lower parts of the legs there to make it about 68 inches tall, I think it is, or 78, something like that. So I like it. I was able to pre-assemble these in the garage, bring them downstairs no problem, and assemble the rest of it down here. Now, if you take this apart, you wouldn't necessarily have to dismantle this. All you have to do is knock these up with a rubber mallet, remove those components, and move it to wherever you want. Or if you wanted to, once they're empty, 2 people could easily move this shelf without having to disassemble it. Look forward to loading it up, seeing what I can put on it, and see what I can get out of the rest of the house, kind of store it. And that's it.